Hi everyone, welcome to another online phonics lesson. So hopefully you know the drill and you can remember it from before the holidays. We're going to start by recapping all the sounds that we know so far. So when you see the sound, say it. Let's go. O, A, I, R, O, U, O, E, ow, E, oi, A. Well done if you got all of those right, especially the one we learned yesterday. So today's sound is O. I'm going to say that one more time and then you can repeat that after me. O. Your turn. Well done. O. Your turn again. Well done. And we're going to remember O by saying yawn at dawn. Now the dawn is the morning and you might be quite sleepy when you wake up in the morning. So we're going to do a big yawn and stretch. So as you say yawn at dawn, you can do a nice big yawn with that. So I'll have a go. Yawn at dawn. Your turn. Well done. So your next job is to say the sound or the phrase depending on what comes up on the next few slides. So get ready, keep your eyes peeled. Yawn at dawn. Or. Yawn at dawn. Or. Yawn at dawn. Or. Well done if you got all of those right. So the next job is to recap all the sounds that we know so far. But when you see our sound that we're learning today, you're going to say, that's the sound we're looking for. So get yourselves ready. O, A, I, R, O. That's the sound we're looking for. Well done if you spotted it. Let's have another go. U, O, O. That's the sound we're looking for. That's right. Well done if you found it. Let's have one more go. E, ow, A, oi, O. That's the sound we're looking for. Well done if you spotted it every time. So now that we can say the sound, our next job is to be able to write the sound. So you can see that O is made up of an A and a W together. And from my examples that I drawn earlier, you can see that they are both small letters. They do not go up to the red line and they do not go down to the bottom red line either. They sit nice and equally between our blue lines and they are both the same size. So if you watch my mouse, I'll show you how to write O. Get ready. Get ready to write yawn at dawn. So we'll try that one more time. And this time you might want to get your imaginary pencil and follow along with me. So let's get ready. 1, 2, 3. Get ready to write yawn at dawn. Super. And you might notice that our W ends with a horizontal join. So whatever our next letter is after W, we'll start from the top instead of the bottom. So now might be a good place for you to pause the video and have a go at writing your O sounds, whether it's on a whiteboard or a piece of paper or whatever it is that you have at home. Have a go now. And when you're ready, play the video again. Remember, if you need a little bit more time, you can keep the video paused, but I can't wait to see all your lovely handwriting when you send it to your class email. We're going to move on now. So we can now write the sound. We now need to be able to spell words using our new sound O. So we need to get our Fred fingers ready and we need to hide them because we're going to count the sounds in the next word that I say. So how many sounds can you hear in saw? Saw. Count it on your Fred fingers. And then when you've counted the sounds, can you write down for me the word saw? Saw. If you finish a little bit early, you might want to put your sound buttons on. Let's see if you've got it right. Is this what you wrote? Well done. Let's Fred talk the word together. S, or, saw. That's right, there are two sounds in the word saw. Give it a tick if you got that right. If not, just make your correction. So get your Fred fingers ready for our next word. The next word is raw. How many sounds can you hear in the word raw? If something is raw, it means that it's not cooked. And then when you've sounded it out, write it down. Remember, you might want to put your sound buttons on there as well. Let's see if you wrote the word raw like me. Is this what you wrote? Well done. There are two sounds in the word raw. Let's Fred talk them together. R, or, raw. Well done. Get those Fred fingers ready for another word. The next word is law. Law. How many sounds can you hear in the word law? And then write it down as soon as you've sounded it out. Let's see if you wrote what I wrote. So that's right, there are two sounds in the word law. Let's Fred talk it together. Or, law. Well done. Give it a tick if you got that right. And just do your corrections if you need to. Right, let's go for another word. Get those Fred fingers ready. Hide them. How many sounds can you hear in the word straw? Straw. This is a bit trickier, this one. It's got a few more sounds. When you counted the sounds in straw, write it down. And maybe even put your sound buttons on there as well. Straw. Let's see. Let's move on then. Is this what you wrote? Well done. There are four sounds in the word straw. Let's say them together. S, t, or, straw. Fantastic. Let's do one final word. Get your Fred fingers ready for the last time. How many sounds can you hear in the word dawn? Dawn. And then remember, as soon as you've worked out how many sounds are in there, write it down as well. Dawn. And let's see, did you write this? Well done. There are three sounds in the word dawn. Let's stamp them out together. D, or, n, dawn. Fantastic. So our next job is to be able to read words using the or sound. So job number one, can we find in our first word the or sound? Where is the or sound in our first word? That's right, well done. It is here. That's where the or sound is. So now let's use our Fred fingers and say the sounds and then blend it together. P, or, paw. Well done. Let's try the next word. Where is our or sound in the next word? That's right, well done. Our or sound is here in the middle. So now let's stamp the sounds out together and then blend it. K, or, crawl. Well done. Now let's have a look at that third word. Where is the or sound in our third word? That's right, it's here. Now let's stamp it out together. J, or, jaw. Well done. What about the fourth word? Where is the O sound in the fourth word? Fantastic. It's here. Let's Fred talk the word together. Or, claw. Fantastic. One more word to go then. Where is the O sound in our final word? That's right, well done. Our O sound is here in the middle again. So let's Fred talk the word together and then blend it. Get ready. Y, O, N, yawn. Well done, super reading. Obviously, we can't forget to do our alien words. These are not real words. They do not make sense. So when we finish saying them, we can say, what a load of nonsense. So let's Fred talk the words together then. Or, fraud. What a load of nonsense. Let's try the second word. Ch, or, chalk. What a load of nonsense. And our last word. Or, more. What a load of nonsense. Super reading. So for your phonics activity today then, you have got a selection of words all using the O sound. But some of the O sounds are your set 2 O sounds. Can you see? O and a together make O. But the sound that we're learning today also makes the O sound, and that is with an A and a W. O. So your job is to make me 2 lists, please. Can you make a list of words that use the set 2 O sound? Or, and can you please make a list that uses the set 3 O sound? So all the words you can see that use O, you're going to put in one list. And on the other side of your paper, all the words that you can see that use a and a w, you're going to make a list of on the other side of your paper. So you can pause the screen here, write down the sounds in the right places on your whiteboard or your sheet of paper, and take a picture of it and send it to your class email. And me and Miss Mannion are really excited to see all of the amazing work that you send in over the next few weeks. So well done again on completing another phonics lesson at home. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you again for another one. Bye everyone.